Hey guys, welcome back to another 10x income system video, guys. Where I'll be talking about the 10x income system, of course, and what this system is, what can it do for you, and what's already doing for the members inside of this affiliate program. Okay, guys. So as you probably already might know, the 10x income system is an affiliate system created by Tabby D. Okay, it is an automated affiliate system, and what this means, guys, is you'll be getting passive income from this. All the members in this program are getting passive income from this, from Tabby D's traffic packages, guys. And a lot of people question whether this is real or this is fake, guys. Um, what Tabby D is offering is very real, guys. These traffic packages are working and working for other people. But don't take my word for it, guys. This is a 10x income system Facebook group, guys. This is a private group. Everyone in this group are posting, by their own free will, guys. They aren't actors or anything like that. People getting paid by Tabby D to do this. But here we go. All right. So recently, I actually made a post in the group that was literally just posted 21 minutes ago on what the conversion rates in the group are. And look at this. I joined on September 1st, paid 200 for traffic, and got 2 sales on September 23rd, but nothing since. See that, guys? So this lady actually got sales just from putting $200 into the traffic packages, guys, and she got 2 sales from this. And what this means is she made about $600 because all the sales are 297, guys. So 200 for $600 seems to be a pretty good trade for me, guys. And let's scroll down, guys. I'm sure we'll see more stuff because people are constantly posting in here, guys. It's a live community of people who are actually getting results and learning, guys. And I haven't even been promoting this for a week, guys. I haven't even had my affiliate link for a week yet. And things are rolling, guys. Things are always rolling. So we'll scroll down. Okay, the YouTube video today. Uh, okay, yep, to that, guys. So we got a ton of people who are getting results in this. This is a private Facebook group. So maybe on your own time you can pause this and just kind of take a closer look at the comments, guys. Just from me scrolling down, guys, because I do want to keep this video rolling. I want to keep it pretty short today. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit further, guys, and that's gonna be about it. But as you can see, guys, just from that post I made not even a half an hour ago, someone answered back and answered pretty quickly, guys. Uh, and this system works. For those of you who are still thinking, hey, this might be fake, it's a scam, and still haven't tried it yourself, guys, as of right now, there is a 365-day money back guarantee, okay? There are links down in the description below, guys. It's right here. The truth is right here, guys, okay? Like, I literally just posted this not even a half an hour ago. Okay. People who aren't members, guys, can't even get into this group, guys. So she would have no reason to post something like this just to like try to nab a sale or something like that, guys. Because I've seen affiliate groups in the past where people say all sorts of good things just to get new people on board, but there is nothing but other 10x income members in this group, guys. People are posting from their own free will, guys, because this is working for them. Okay, and they're simply sharing their results with the rest of the community, guys, so you can get there too. It's very easy, very beginner friendly, guys, and this community just makes it that much better. All right. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, just leave it down below, and I'll be sure to answer back as soon as possible. I hope this information was helpful, and again, I have links below in the description for anyone who wants to check out the 10x income system, guys. That's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. You all see me in the next video. All right? Later.